Hi all, very good morning to all of you. Welcome to our channel. Today we will see the quick overview of the garden as per today, and also a few harvests from the garden. So this is the growth as of today from each part. Let's see the quick overview. You can see a lot of tomatoes here, also in another part. Lots of amaranthus. Bindi, tomato, amaranthus, and inside you can see lots of coriander. Coriander is there. Tomato in these three pots. Broad beans, cabbage. You can see from last week video to this week lots of growth, and in between I have harvested 3 to 4 times amaranthus, but still we can see lots of amaranthus in all the pots. So you can see the healthy growth tomato. Here also tomatoes and cabbage, and brinjal started coming. Radish, I have harvested one radish, but I haven't taken video that time, and it's coming up very nicely. Here lots of beans with flowers. So here chili started coming. Lots of chilies and capsicum. Poor in capturing the video. You can see drumstick plant, and today I'm going to harvest the one type of amaranthus. These are all radish. Capsicum plant coming from the seeds. So I put the seed from the capsicum which I bought from the shops, so I have to really see if capsicum is coming or not. Pomegranate, guava. I think here we do have bindi. Bindi is coming nicely. Lots of flower in tomato plant. So this is the green leaves I'm going to harvest today. So let's see how nicely it's grown. Drumstick plant. You can see from last week to this week growth differences. new branches shoot for curry leaves. Last week I just trimmed the top, so this week we can see the nice new growth from the curry leaves. So this week I have given for all the plants the mixture of Epsom salt, bone meal and neem cake powder and a little cocoa peat as the top layer because it's gonna to summer. So you can see I have mixed, you can see the top layer is cocoa peat. So I mixed cocoa peat, Epsom salt, neem cake powder, bone meal and little bit of trichoderma viridie and put as a top layer for my summer preparation. Upcoming summer. So let's do the harvest. So as I said, we have to give every month some nutrients to the soil so that our plants will be healthy and nicely growing. This is one type of amaranthus I'm gonna to eat for the first time. Let me see the taste and share with you all. Also, you put comments in the comment section. What do you feel about my garden? And you can comment for the improvements or whatever I'm doing good. You can tell in the comment section. The main thing what I get from this terrace garden is, apart from harvest, it's very happy feeling every day. So the total garden will be taken care by myself only. I only water 2 times, morning and evening. Evening a little bit of water I give so that I just moisten the upper part of the soil. And whatever the plants you are seeing, I grown from the seeds. Few of them go I bought it, but whatever the possible ones I have grown from the seeds, all single-handedly maintained. So I do little more harvest. It's always better to eat the green leaves when it is not maturing, like when it is very young, so that its nutrients will be full. Otherwise it will give all its energy for seedlings. So very much handful of harvest I got. So put in your comments. I'll keep on sharing what I give to my plants and how I am growing. So for any improvements or if I'm doing good, please comment and do subscribe if you're watching my videos for the first time. Please watch my previous videos. Previously I used to have balcony garden almost for 10 years now. So recently started the terrace garden. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.